Okay, so this is more or less some kind of evolution. So this has been starting a couple of years ago. So it's a full triangulation sensor with onboard processing. And now we achieved to, let's say, shrink it. So from this size, we achieved to shrink it down to this size, but still having the full performance, the same performance features regarding the onboard processing, but in a very compact form factor. And this is more or less intended for all applications where the form factor is very limited. We would like to shrink it as much as possible. And typical application we have now customers for this module for is, let's say, glue inspection systems and also weld seam inspection systems, where really you would like to have a very small and compact and also lightweight solution to put onto a robot.